Tropical Forest Research Institute, Jabalpur is one of the 9 institutes under Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education, Dehradun. Genetics and Tree Improvement Division of Tropical Forest Research Institute has been working on genetic improvement and propagation of different commercially important bamboo species for the last 30 years. Productivity of bamboo forests and plantations is low. This can be increased by using superior clumps, that is candidate plus clumps. It has great demand in domestic and industrial sectors. In terms of bamboo resources, India is the second richest country in the world. Thus it provides livelihood to millions of people. Due to long flowering cycle, bamboo seeds are not available every year. Therefore, vegetative propagation is the only way to mass multiplication of bamboos. 130 candidate plus clumps of different bamboo species have been selected from Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Odisha. Propagation through these CPCs gives 20 to 25% genetic gain and true to type quality planting material is produced. Macro-propagation through culm or culm branch cuttings involves collection of culms or culm branches. The culms selected for the cuttings are 1 to 2 years old with healthy buds. Segments are selected from the lower to mid zone of the culm. Culm cuttings are segments of the culm, usually 1 or 2 to 3 nodes with buds or branches. Cuttings are prepared by trimming leaves, small branches and the branch tip with secators. The culms are cut into single nodal or double nodal cuttings. Culm branch cuttings are collected from 1 to 2 year old culms and prepared by trimming them into smaller pieces of single nodal cuttings. Auxin solutions of IBA or IA or naphthalene acetic acid are prepared in various concentrations by dissolving in alcohol. Required volume of auxin solution is prepared by mixing with water. For some species, cavity method is successful for rooting. A cavity is prepared in internodal region. The cavity is filled with auxin solution and is covered with tape and the cutting is planted in sand beds, in mist chamber or polytunnels under shade house. Culm cuttings sprout within a week after planting and rooting is achieved between 60 to 90 days. Rooted plantlets should be removed carefully from propagation beds. For placement in polybags containing a mixture of soil, sand, FYM in a same ratio of 1. Rooted plantlets require proper hardening for their survival. Shade net permitting 50% light intensity is suitable for hardening of rooted plantlets. Irrigation at intervals through nozzle sprinkler system is advantageous for initial hardening. New shoots starts emerging in 20 to 30 days depending upon the species. After 2 months, plants may be shifted gradually in open environment. For increasing the planting stock, bamboo seedlings are allowed to grow for 6 months to 1 year before macroproliferation. In this method, tillers and rhizomes are separated from the seedlings using a secator. The separated rhizomes are planted in fresh polybags. Micropropagation or tissue culture is an effective technique for production of bamboos on large scale. Micropropagation can yield thousands of replicas of the parent plant. Disease-free clumps are selected for collection of explants. Lateral shoots bearing well-developed buds from the current year's culms are cut. These young shoots are further cut into single nodal segments, about 4 to 5 centimeters, with an unopened axillary bud covered with leaf sheath and used as explant. Following steps are for the preparation and washing of nodal segments. 1. The leaf sheath is removed using a scalpel exposing undamaged axillary bud. 2. Washing under running tap water for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. A quick dip for 30 seconds in ethyl alcohol, washing thoroughly with 1 to 2% cetrimide solution for 10 to 15 minutes, followed by rinsing in running tap water to remove all soap solution. Final surface sterilization is carried out in laminar air flow using different sterilizing agents. The surface sterilized nodal segments are inoculated on MS semisolid medium variously supplemented with plant growth regulators like BA, kinetin, etc. All precautions should be taken to carry out steps in aseptic conditions. The inoculated nodal segments will sprout in 10 to 15 days. Subculturing of shoots is carried out for multiplication of shoots on MS medium supplemented with cytokinins and auxins. The shoot bunch is cut into propagules of 3 to 4 shoots at an interval of 21 to 30 days. Rooting is achieved on auxin supplemented medium. Hardening of tissue culture raised plantlets is done on soilrite or cocopiet. Hardened plants are transferred to soil mixture in polybags. Providing trainings to different stakeholders, that is farmers, bamboo entrepreneurs, artisans, students, etc., on propagation of bamboos will assist in mass multiplication, conservation and promotion of bamboos. This will in turn help in developing technically skilled people in the bamboo sector. The Institute envisages promoting holistic growth of bamboo sector by conducting trainings on various aspects of bamboos to increase the area under bamboo cultivation. Plantation of different species of bamboos raised through cuttings or tissue culture in field is very successful with high survival rate. In this way, bamboo plantations can be grown in the fields of common man, progressive farmers and forest departments. The increase in land under bamboo cover will lead to a multitude of environmental benefits for the country.